Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reactivate Facebook dating after deleting. So let's get started. So now here we are on Facebook, and from here you want to tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen. And from here you simply want to tap on dating again if you have deleted your dating profile, and then from here you can get started once again and reactivate your Facebook dating. But let's say that you don't have the dating icon available here on your menu here in Facebook. So there is a reason for that. So you might have violated the community guidelines of Facebook many times already. That might be the reason that you are not seeing the dating button right here on your Facebook menu. So take note and think back and see if you have violated the community guidelines and see if you received notifications about that, because that might be the biggest reason that you are not seeing the dating button right here. Another method that you can try is by deleting your Facebook app. So you simply want to hold on to it and then tap on remove app and delete app so that it will now be removed from your device. And then from here, you want to install it back again into the App Store or Play Store if you're in Android. And from here, go into the Facebook app and make sure that it is updated. If you have the update button right here on Facebook, you simply want to tap on update. If not, then you can just install it as is or just open it. And then you should now be seeing the dating button right here. Remember that even if you delete your dating profile, your Facebook dating button right here will remain. Otherwise, it might mean that you have violated their community guidelines. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.